welcome to Wild Fruit Hunt in your backyard. And here we're looking at shepherd purrs. This is an incredible animal, easy to identify, and as soon as I tell you the stories, you can identify it too. Let me tell you, this plant is called shepherd purrs because the seed pods, here it is, are shaped like little shepherd's bags. This is true in French, in Russian, in English, in Italian. Everyone knows this plant as shepherd purrs. You know why? Once upon a time, the shepherds used to make little bags shaped like little hearts, like that. You know how they made the bags? It's not really hard. It's kind of a, well, it's the sack of the ram, really. So it's not really hard. But hey, you remember the shape? Next time you see them flapping in the wind, you know what you're looking at. So this is food and medicine. Food, you eat the seed pods, you eat the leaves, you eat the roots. This is brassica family, so expect cabbage and spice like mustard. Medicine, you make tinctures with it, you make you use it internally. It's very good for your blood. This is a much respected medicinal plant, both in Eastern and Western medicine. So this is in your yard. It's a winter plant. It's about to finish now. So be quick. Go and find the shepherd purrs. It up your yard.